Feel it out. Look. Look. Get it. Get it. Go in there and get it. Look. Get it. Look. Feel it.
The one time he does not want to make a mess.
Did she almost puke on me?
He's going to puke in the pumpkin.
I don't know if he likes it.
I don't think so.
Touch it.
No, he's alright with that.
Look what Mommy's got right here. Look.
Nah, he just wants to play with the newspaper.
I think so. Look.
There you go, buddy.
Look. Feel it. Feel it.
No.
You don't like it? Take it off, Mommy. Look. Forget about the darn newspaper. Look. Who cares about the paper? Look, there's pumpkin guts. He does not care at all.
Well, at least next year we'll know to get newspaper instead of pumpkins.
Okay.
Ain't that right, buddy? You want newspaper? You want some more newspaper?
You had an opportunity to make a heck of a mess.
There you go. Get right down in there, buddy.
Hello. Look. Look.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What you doing, buddy? Hey.
Look.
Come on. Stick your hand in there. Back with it. Stick his foot in there.
Okay.
Stick your foot in there, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Is that yucky feeling?
Look, put your foot in there.
Is that yucky feeling?
What's in there? What's in there? Look. I got an idea. Look.
That's awesome.
Look. Your ball's in there.
That's mean. That's mean.
He really likes his ball.
That's mean. Someone's gonna call child services on us now.
No, I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
He's not sure if he wants to follow the newspaper.